Okay, question number 1 by Chantal. Is a lookbook needed when presenting your brand to a potential retailer distributor? What should be in a lookbook? There are 3 documents used in fashion to present your products. 1, a lookbook. 2, a catalog. And 3, a line sheet. A lookbook is used to sell the aesthetic or feeling of the brand and the items, and to communicate your brand's mission and purpose. A catalog is used to give clear presentation and to sell the utility of the items. The catalog presents your garments in 3 different ways: the frontal picture, back picture, and the side picture, so that the retailer can see clearly what is it, how does this garment look from all the sides. And if you have some interesting decoration on your coat, for example, you will do a close-up pictures as well for retailer to see what is this garment all about. Under every picture you have, of course, the SKU number and your product name. And a line sheet explains the wholesale terms, how to purchase, payment terms, minimum order quantities, shipping terms, contact details, company standards, as well as the details on garment level, such as SKU number, product name, fabric composition, country of origin, MSRP, manufacturer suggested retail price, MAP, minimum advertised price, and WSP, wholesale price. Hi Tammy, good morning, good to see you. Chantal, I'm talking about your question right now. Ladies, we have 10,000 likes to go today. So let's hit our 10,000 likes. So, Chantal, there are 3 documents that you use in presentation of your fashion to the retailer, wholesaler. Those are a lookbook, a catalog, and a line sheet. The lookbook carries over the aesthetics and the feeling of your brand and your mission and purpose. The catalog shows clearly all your garments from all the sides, and the line sheet explains all the terms, the wholesale terms, the shipping terms, your company standards, as well as the composition of the fabrics, country of origin, wholesale pricing, MSRP, and MAP, right? So you can use 3 documents, 3 separate documents. You can as well combine these documents in one. I like combining them because otherwise you're carrying around gazillions of different documents. I like them all to be combined in one. Depending on how large your portfolio is, you can make it very short and concise, or you can make it elaborated. If your brand is large and you are doing 240 new products per year, it means that you will be shooting a full-blown catalog with about 12 pictures, and then you will have 120 product pictures inside of it, and you will have at the end a spreadsheet dish kind of a presentation with all the prices, compositions, etc. If you have few products or only one product, it is a little bit easier because you don't need to have such a huge presentation.